Risora the Devout, or the Bishop, is a blood chess piece denoted by the symbol up here by my thumb. Its rule is placed behind a card on your side of the board. This card can only move between the row it's placed in and the same row on opponent's side. As it moves, it may bring one card from that row with it. If removed, draw one community card and place in Loyalist. Opponent may move this card but cannot kill it. Plus and minus movements will move the bishop between rows in the same way. So it seems like quite a complicated card, but once you see how it works, it actually becomes quite simple and you pick it up very quickly. So last turn I placed it on my 4 in my Loyalist row because I saw that there's quite a bit of red movements here to move it. And now since it's in my Loyalist row, it can only move between my Loyalist and the opponent's Loyalist. So there's only 2 rows that it can move in. So how the movements work with it, it can move by either plus or minus because it only moves between those 2 rows. So if I took the 11, I could then take it 1, 2, and the same thing with the plus. It'll go 1, 2, or just a 1, and it'll stay over there. And you can break up the 2 movements if you wanted to do just 1 over there and say move the 13. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this and move it over here. And I can move the -5 with it. I don't have to move a card with it, but it's a good chance to get rid of that -5. And then I'm gonna go ahead and bring it back, and then I'll take their 6 over here too. And so basically that's how the bishop functions. It's a good way to move cards back and forth. And let's finish this play. So we'll do -2, I'll do +1. And that's how the bishop functions.